Just a quick look at what I've been up to in the new shop. Don't mind all that junk back there. Working on a 1998 Arctic Cat 400 4x4. Had to replace the rear brake caliper on it, and still waiting on parts for this right here. It's mechanical brake pads, but other than that, runs pretty good. I got it running. It's got soft brakes, but it's not too bad. Shifts through all the gears fine. But yeah, there's the forklift I use to lift everything with. Does a great job. So front half of this shop is mine to use. There's a moped I'm working on, and there's the G6. It's going to be coming up in some videos. As soon as I get a hold of Detroit Axle, I'm going to be replacing control arms on the back of this. Lower control arm, and there's another, I can't think what it's called offhand, but there's another part, rear springs, and the wheel bearings. I'm going to be replacing all that, and I'm going to get new tires for it because it is eating the inside of the tire up pretty bad. I'll go down here and show you. So there it is. It's eating the inside of the tire up. Sorry about the lighting, but yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, anyways, figured I'd just give everybody a quick update of what's been going on YouTube channel, so you know, and what I've been doing. This is going to be a small engine shop, I hope, providing I get the business. Oh, I need to shut this four-wheeler off. But yeah, anyways, if you like what you see, hit the like button. Don't know how to reverse the camera here. Oh, let's see, bear with me. But yeah, hit your like button, comment, and share. I do apologize, I record this on my phone. So anyways, y'all have a good day. Thank you.